I thought this side might be easier, but nah, of course that's not the case. They just got to make it difficult. They put the brake lines in the way, all types of stuff. Now, here's a real big problem. See that? Hold on. Can we get the light in there good? No, of course not. But anyway, there's a bolt protruding right there if you look. And this stupid thing, here it is right here. Nice and lit up now. Can we get a clear shot? Camera's not in focus. You gotta love it. There we go. There it is. Finally, after 20 minutes. So anyway, what that thing does is it comes all the way out and it doesn't allow you to get your hand in there or the wrench in there. So this thing I wanted to take out, but of course it's got another bolt under here, right underneath the washer fluid bottle. And I don't know what this thing is here. Nothing, nothing's easy to kind of move the other one away. So it's the two back ones. There's two that are like impossible to get to. I have no desire to strip them. You do need this mega tool here, this little stub nose, which I got on Amazon. It's a link below, which I had to use on that side for the back one. But this one now has two of them that are a little difficult to get to. I am actually thinking about just cutting off that bolt because I really don't care. And I just don't want to strip this. And that's really the name of the game. I wanted to show you the position that I have the ratchet. So this way you know to do it that way. Okay? That was the only way, because you got to pull towards the front of the engine in order to, of course, loosen it. The other one wasn't as bad. I also went sideways with it and pulled up. You want to get the ratchet over there. The hardest part, of course, is lining up the teeth, but just take your time. There's no reason. You know what? I was very surprised that back one was easy. Of course it is, probably because no one's really ever torqued it down that much. How can you? It's like very impossible. These last two, they really do suck. But all the other videos I watch, nobody ever shows you that part. It's just like, oh, let me take one of these Allens or whatever, do it. F that. Don't do it that way. That's stupid. Buy this set that I have and do it, try to do it the right way. All right, here's the next one. You're going to need same T30 for underneath here. And you're going to put the ratchet basically like so from underneath. Sorry. And you're just going to loosen it very lightly. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to make room. You're going to just pull that so that you could get to that one from the dipstick. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. Nice and cruddy in there. You know what? Kind of does. There's the oil cap. Does pay to get in here and clean out this stuff. It's very cruddy in there. I wish I could kind of clean out those whole tubes and, of course, those great things in the back, but I will not be taking those bad boys off, those check valves. That is a fun time, but we'll start here. All right. Looking like the Titanic in here. That's just old paint. This one looks a lot different than the other side, to be quite honest with you. And, the paint on this one is just like really bubbled up and it's just on there. Wow, look at these nice. Jeez. These things are on there. Now, I am not going to attempt to take these off on this one. They weren't leaking. And plus, I ruined some of them on the other one because I didn't realize how it had to be done. So I'm going to take these off, clean under there. I'm not going to take as much time. This, I don't think it needs as much work. It just mostly looks in here to get all that extra old paint off. This one's very oily, though. I'll say that much. Very dirty. Ugh. Of course, with two hands, this would be a lot easier. But we got to show everybody what to do. That's the name of the game. Okay. Yeah, nice. Very nice. All right, so here's just the look inside. Just because, not bad. Everything's good. See some crud inside this here. I got to kind of clean these out with this, PCV system that it has. Hopefully the vehicle will definitely run a lot better doing all this and cleaning all the crud out of it. You know what I mean? Every little thing helps, and I have seen a big difference of doing small things for this vehicle, and it seems even more powerful, especially with like the liquid moly valve cleaner, stuff like that is definitely a must-have. I'll show you that here too. There you go. Must have those for these. They like that stuff, and I didn't feel improvements on performance with it. I also have that in the link description below from good old Amazon.